In this tutorial, we are going to discuss practical number 8. So the practical number 8, the texts and formulated texts are given here. So like this way, you want to formulate the word texts. So in my blank document, I am going to have the texts like this for the practical 8. Then I want to make my heading center. Then first paragraph, justified element. Then thereafter make it text bold, 16 bold. Then bullet lines, enter, 16 bold. Then up to 6 number. Then here you want to make it bold. Then you can have some tabs. You can press the tab key and you can have the elements. Just you can have some line spaces also. With the formulation of these texts, you can save your file with your practical number. Similar way, you can complete this practical.